again.
We're heading up the mountain to St. Elmo for a long weekend. It's rare that we go twice in one summer.
I know.
The silver lining of COVID.
Well, I guess you have to look for the silver lining, don't you?
Yes. So Butterfly is so excited.
She looks like she's chill.
She'd be chilling. She's gonna fall asleep very quickly. Is that the mountain we're going up, or is it that one?
We're going up between. Yep.
We go between them.
Yeah.
We'll be right there. But we're stopping so Steve can text his brother. Listening to Crime Junkie. It's a podcast, and it's awesome. We're at the shooting range. Steve's firing his black powder rifle, and I've been practicing with my 9mm. And you'll notice that Steve and I match because Steve forgot his ears. He forgot his glasses too, so I'm wearing my sunglasses. And he's wearing pink camo.
And my pink and pink.
Yes.
Oh, I'm manly today with my cap and ball pistol. Woo-hoo. Gunsmoke. Look at that walk. It says, "Don't mess with me. I'm armed and I'm dangerous." Ba 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 ba. There you go. It's a street tear out in Salida, Colorado. I am going to check what I can. They've already leveled out a lot of it, so I don't know what I can do, but I'm gonna search what I can. Kind of cool, street tear out's always good for a possible find, right? Look like they've got the sidewalks kind of tore up along here too, so I'll look what I can. Hopefully I'll find some little shiny, and scream silver alert. Oh, that would be so awesome, especially here in Salida. All right, wish me luck. Okay, I got one penny out of this side here. Got it right there. It's definitely a wheat penny. It's not as old as I would have thought in this part of town, but hey, it's been here a long time. Let me clean it up and see what we got. Get some McGrew juice on there. Okay, I squirted it, and it is a 1944. The truth juice, that McGrew juice, still on there. Yeah, it's 1944. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's what it is. 1940, and I got the cap in my mouth. It's hard to talk with a cap in your mouth, but it's a penny. I'll take it, and you would too. Okay, just a few inches over, a foot over maybe. Got another signal. Definitely another penny. I don't think it's old. Hold on. Another penny. It's another wheat penny. This one's in better shape. Oh yeah, wheat penny. Let me get some squirt of McGrew juice on here and see what the date is. But I think it's 1935. I think. I'll get home, clean this up. Squirted it. Might be 33. Not sure. All right. It's a penny though. I'll take it.
Day 3 at the cabin. It's pigtail day. What do you think of these masks? Aren't they cute? A little toilet with toilet paper, and then there's a plunger. You see that? So cute. Butterfly gets to go out with us today. It's our last full day at the cabin. We're gonna go explore. Steve is loading up his metal detecting stuff. Seems like a beautiful day, but it's supposed to rain. So, bummer. But we're going to enjoy the sunshine while it lasts, right, Butterfly? She's so excited she gets to go. She hated yesterday. When we go to the shooting range, we leave her back at the cabin for obvious reasons, because it's loud and not somewhere a dog needs to be. I am reading a book. This is a book that I'm reading this weekend.
We're going on an adventure.
We're going on an
On an
adventure.
adventure.
Where are we going?
I'm not sure. We're just gonna head down the mountain and maybe go up to head toward Mammoth Ski Resort and just see what's out there.
We're gonna go explore the life before the rain.
Yeah.
It is supposed to get cold tonight.
I just tried to start the car with cabin keys.
The keys to the car are in my bag, so you should be able to start it. There's been bear adventures here in St. Elmo the last couple
2 nights
of days.
in a row.
2 nights in a row. They call them 2 tags, because I guess they catch and release him, and when they do, they tag him, and he's been tagged twice. But
Which could mean bad stuff for the bear if he gets caught again.
right, is it like 3 strikes you're out?
I think.
It's not getting caught. He's not doing anything dangerous to us, but
No, he's just eating hummingbird feeders.
yeah. And he comes way late at night when we're asleep. And last night I had a bad dream about him. Maybe I actually heard him and my subconscious was like, bear alert,
Maybe that's
bear alert. But he's not a big guy. He's like, when he stands up, he's probably like 6 feet tall, right?
Yeah.
He's not what you think of when you think of a ginormous bear. Alright, but we have survived the bear adventures.
The Great Bear Adventures of 2020.
Yes. Well, we seem to have climbed a mountain.
We got to the very top, apparently, up here by Monarch, and now we're headed down. But I don't know we're just on an adventure.
We are. I'll show you. I don't even think the camera does it justice.
I don't either.
But you do see the crack in my windshield. Oh, so pretty.
I don't know what we're gonna see when we come out on the other side here.
See up your nose. Wee! An adventure in the mountains. Butterfly? I've been drinking my water.
She's kind of chill.
She's kind of
She won't lay down and completely chill, but she's
She's
chill.
Chillish.
Chillish.
We don't have cell phone reception, so I think we're in the
Dead
wilderness.
zone.
And I just got a text that the current bachelorette that's supposed to be filming may have been fired, and they might be replacing her. And I can't do any research.
What?
I'm stressing out.
Isn't that the stuff your podcast talks about?
Yes, 2 girls and a bottle of wine. Check it out. And so I will be happy to have cell phone reception in the near future. But right now, I'm enjoying
The view.
God's beauty.
She what? She thought she was getting into her carrier.
Where's the bathroom?
Let's go inside the cafe here. Dotties.
We made a stop.
Yeah, someplace I can't pronounce. What's it called? You got the sticker.
I know I can't. I have Butterfly's water.
Like it's
in
like
between.
Tamagotchi or something like that.
Tamagotchi, Colorado. Dear Lord. Tamichi.
You got that
Creek.
pretty sticker.
Yeah, got my first sticker for my water bottle. We thought we might grab something to eat, but
It's not that we're giving this place a bad.
no,
It's
it's just
we
nothing.
didn't feel like burgers and sandwiches. So.
We have burgers and sandwiches at the cabin, but you got to see this view.
Straight up here. Oh, Dotties.
The windshield's cracked, so it's good to get video from outside
Out
the
the window.
window.
Oh, Dottie's is towing.
Oh, it's a towing company.
Dottie's towing.
But I really like their sign. It's very retro.
Yeah, it looked like it ought to be like an old country bar or something. We're going down to Dottie's.
Yeah. Butterfly's still doing good.
More motorcycles pulling up here. This is a big bike stop, it looks like.
Like motocross type bikes, right?
Yeah, look, coming down the mountain over here too. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
Okay, we're 33 miles from Salida.
Oh, it felt much longer.
Oh, it's those curvy mountain. It's like an hour.
Mountain roads. But it's worth it. It's beautiful. We got podcasts we're jamming to.
And now we can go to Salida, grab something to eat, and do a little dirt fishing.
That's what he lives for now.
And you.
Not even.
And you.
Watch the road.
And you.
It's dirt fishing all day, every day.
Every day. Atlantic, Pacific. We're on the top right here. You.
I'll just go get her and we'll get a selfie.
Are you sure? Okay. We're on top of the store.
We are. Did you see any no trespassing signs?
I didn't at all. I just see fences around their skylights. Butterfly, you're on top of the very top of the.
Sit.
Stay, stay. She listens so well.
I'm really trying to get a video of the Colorado flag. Oh.
Is it opening?
Up. Yay!
I love a good gift shop. John Wayne, yeah. You can find everything in a store like this. Skull speaker, or a remote, or Blistex, or earplugs. Fly swatter, tiny fly swatter.
Steve went inside to get a pizza, a small pizza that he ordered, and then he's gonna go dirt fishing and we're gonna chill, read a book. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This day has flown by. Crazy. Hey!
Hey, we got non-keto. I don't care. We're out, and I want to do something different.
And your brother talked
And
about
my brother
pizza.
says it's the best. So I'm gonna take a picture of that. Well, we've come down to Salida after we went up to Monarch Pass and did some sightseeing, but I thought I'd get out. Janet's over in the car. Over there, she's reading. I thought I'd do this old park around here in Salida. Looks like there might have been some people here before that did not do their cover their holes well. But I found two new pennies, brand new pennies. Third hole, I've got silver. Third hole, I'm not kidding. Hold on, check this out. Look, right out of the plug, I got silver. Shiny, 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 shiny. What's the date on it? I know it's one of the old ones. Okay, hold on. Well, hell, my bad. It was under that ground, but it's a new penny. That's why she came out shiny. It's a 2004. My bad. Keep watching. Well, after a little bit of dirt fishing, what's better than real fishing? That's right. Right. Thought I'd come down here to the lake before it gets dark. It's almost 7. It's always right before dark, so I'm out here. It's beautiful. Look at this. I'm ready to go. Come on. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Got one. He got off the hook, but I got one. Oh, his mouth is bleeding. He's not big enough. But I got one. Get back in there. Ah, I missed him. The beaver was getting out of the water over there. If he comes back, I'll try to get walked under that log. Yeah, he's back over there, right by the water. Right, he's right. I'll get my hand in the picture. Where is it? Oh, I can't. Oh, there we go. He's right there, that dark spot under the bridge. Back on the lake. Well, the reservoir. Hess Reservoir.
Forgot my backpack.
Oh, so you have to go back?
I have my life vest, I have my paddle, I have my board.
But what about your drinks or whatever you had?
I'll be fine.
The one drawback is the mud. When you launch, it gets all up in here. All up in here! Janet's already way over there. Way. I can't hardly see because I got it in this phone case, but she's way over there. As you just saw, we're at the Perfect Landing restaurant because I had a hankering, a big hankering for a non-keto meal. I'm going for the, hold on, right there, lobster roll. I just got hungry for it. I was like, we were out on the paddleboard and I go, I need a lobster roll.
And I need a Prosecco.
Look at that cute little bottle and everything. Lobster roll. Look at those big chunks of lobster. She already cut it in half.
Sorry.
That's okay.
We had calamari, but we forgot to show you that.
Oh, we didn't.
This is like like a European type meal.
Yeah.
We're having many different
things.
servings. Yeah.
Trying to stay within the fishy theme. That looks awesome. Big steak. Is that cheddar?
Jalapeno cheddar.
Jalapeno cheddar potatoes. Oh.
Yes. But you gotta show the.
And I got a thing called a
star.
Newport pie that I have never had before. It's got
Puff pastry.
It's got lobster, crab, cod, scallops, shrimp,
all the
a little bit
seafood.
of everything, with a puff pastry. Size of that shrimp. Look at the size of that shrimp.
Butter out there to share.
It's the size of his face.
Let me go drop
It's
off
all
these
about
Coors Lights and I'll be
perspective.
right back. We'll start talking about dinner.
Look at
That's
that.
massive.
Oh, so good. These are jalapeno cheddar, and they are amazing. Ribeye, super rare. Sorry if you have a sensitivity to meat. I do eat green things.